If you are wondering if you have to use the original Samsung power adapter in order to charge Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is no. You don't really need to use a Samsung charger to be able to charge Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. For example, in my case, I use a Realme power adapter. In fact, it even has the USB-A port, which means that I cannot use the original cable that comes with the phone, and instead I have to use a cable that looks more or less like this. And it still works. I can still use it in order to charge Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 without any issues whatsoever. Now, if you are going to buy a charger or a power adapter because you don't have one, and of course it is not included inside the box, so you need to purchase one, then one thing that I can recommend you to do is to get a power adapter that has at least 25 watts, because this is the amount of watts that the phone can use to charge the phone, at most, of course. You can still get a power adapter that has less than that, but if you care about the fastest charging speed possible, then of course you want to get 25 watts charger or a faster one, stronger one. And well, ideally you still want to get the Samsung power adapter, but it doesn't really it doesn't make that much of a difference, honestly. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.